Hey, it's me, Ben, reporting from my bedroom. From now, I don't know what's going to happen next. But everything that little girl said might not be true. Now, I think that by people, she meant her family, and me, and herself. So I think she was just thinking about herself, not other people, just thinking about herself. And her brother, and her other brother, and her mom, and her daddy. Now, you can never trust anyone. Never. Never, never. So it's me, Ben, reporting from my bedroom. See you later, alligator.